Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. So today we will study about the article. As yesterday we study about a and an. And the and the are article as I told you in yesterday's video, and today as I will tell you about the only yesterday uploaded the video about a and an. Those want indefinite article. But today I will let you know about the definite article. Actually, the is definite article. Okay. So why the is definite article? Here I have also written the definition. Okay, of the article. Here you can say the definite article is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. It means you can use the article with singular countable nouns, with plural countable nouns, and with uncountable nouns. I have also given you examples. As you can see, the book. The book is a singular countable noun. Okay, the books. Okay, it is called plural countable noun. And the milk. The milk is called what? Uncountable noun. We can't count the milk. Actually, we cannot understand the in one way. Actually, there are so many. We can use the in many different ways. And I have also written down few rules how we can use the. Okay, so I will start one by one, and I will make your mind clear that how you can understand the. I am starting from rule number 1, that when we talk about a particular person or thing, when we talk about a particular person or thing, then we will put on or we will use the. Here I have written down an example of particular person or thing. The book you want, is out of print. It means the book which one you want, that is out of print. Okay, you know the book. That's why that book is called particular, and that's why the is put before that book. Here is also the second rule. In the second rule, we can understand that when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, when a singular noun will represent a whole class, at that place we will also use the. How a singular noun can show a whole class, I have written down the example. You can understand by the example, and I have need of your attention and listen carefully. Okay, so here I have written that the cow is a useful animal. Cow is a single noun, and you know that every cow is a useful animal. That's why it is called that it shows the whole class. It means whole class means the one cow. If one cow is useful, if I am saying cow is useful, it means only one cow is useful. When I am putting the before cow, the cow is a useful animal. It means all the cows or all the categories of cows are useful animal. Here is also another example, the horse. The horse is a noble animal. It means every horse is a noble animal. Okay, if I am only saying the horse is noble animal, it means only one horse. If I am putting the before horse, it means I am representing the whole class of the horse. It means all the horse like what? Okay, and there is also third, the cat loves comfort. All of you know the cat always loves comfort. Okay, she likes or it likes to sit on a soft thing. So it means it means the all category of cats like what? The soft thing to sit. Okay, so there is also the third rule. Third rule is that before some proper nouns. Okay, proper nouns, it means we can also say the natural things. As I have written down the examples: oceans, seas, rivers, canals, deserts, groups, mountain ranges. Oceans, you know the oceans, Pacific Oceans. Okay, sea, you know the name of sea. Okay, Red Sea or whatever, rivers, Indus River. So we can put the Pacific, the Indus River, the Sahara Desert. Okay, so the Suez Canal. Whenever we will, okay, read out the name of these things, we will put what? The before them. Okay. So now we are coming on the before holy books are certain book. If we are writing down or speaking about holy books or certain books, even though we have to put what? The before them. Here I am also giving the examples that Quran, we will say the Quran. Okay, Quran Pak, Injil, the Injil. If we use Varda, Vedas, the Vedas. Okay, it means the before the holy books we will have to use the. There is also the another rule. Okay, before names of things unique of their kind. Okay, now anything that is unique of kind, we will also use the. How the unique thing, it means the natural things that are belonging to the nature, to Allah Almighty, that has been created by Allah Almighty. Here is also the example: the sun, okay, the sky, the ocean, the sea. Okay, so before using these natural phenomena things, we will have to put the. Okay, there is another example. Before a proper noun, it is qualified by adjective. If we are using, okay, with the proper noun, but proper noun, before the proper noun there must, okay, so there must be an adjective, then we will use the. How? The immortal Shakespeare. Immortal is adjective. Shakespeare is the proper noun. Okay, so it means the proper noun is qualified by adjective. Okay, so that's why we are putting the immortal Shakespeare. Have you understood? So that's why it is called that before proper noun it is qualified by adjective. With superlative degrees. With the superlative degrees we will also use the beautiful, the, okay, here is the darkest clouds. Darkest is the superlative degree of adjective. Positive, comparative, superlative, it is the superlative degree of, okay, adjective. So that's why we are using the. Here is the sweet. The sweet, sweeter and sweetest. Sweetest is the superlative degree. That's why we are using the sweetest mango. The most beautiful. It means the most beautiful girl. Okay, so that's why we are using the. There is the eighth rule. Before musical instruments, if we are using any musical instruments, if we are speaking about the musical instruments, if we are writing down about the musical instruments, even though we will have to put what? The. Here is also example. He can play the flute. Flute is a what? Instrument. Before the instrument flute, I am putting on what? The. Here is also the ninth rule. Before an adjective, okay, before the adjective when the noun is understood. Before the adjective when noun is understood. How? The poor. Okay, noun is understood. Which is noun? Poor. Okay, the poor are always with us. Okay, if I am only using poor, poor is a singular noun. If I am using the poor is a plural. Okay, now that's why I am using are. Okay, so it is understood. That's why I am putting the poor. Okay, the noun is understood. Here is the 10 and last rule, but there are so many other. There are also the other rules, but the main rules I have written down and I have made you understand. So this is the 10 rule. As an adverb with comparative. As an adverb with comparative speech, it means if we are comparative something with something else, then we will also use the. Here's the example: the more they get, the more they want. If I want something more, I will get that something more. Here's an example that the more study, the more knowledge. It means if I study more, I will get more knowledge. Have you understood? So that's why we can also say as an adverb with comparative. It means I am comparative something with something else. I am comparating my study with my knowledge. I am comparating, okay, of getting something more with I am wanting something more. So it is enough for today, and I have, okay, studied you in the article, and I hope you have understood. If you have not understood, if your mind is not clear, you can ask to me any question. Okay, so I will see you in the next video with another topic. See you later. Allah Hafiz.